If your pool water smells like a strong, stinky chlorine cloud, it's probably because your combined chlorine levels are way too high, and that totally messes with your swim vibes. Okay, so here's the deal with combined chlorine, or chloramines as some folks call it. It's basically what you get when chlorine bonds with stuff like sweat, urine, and other bio-waste in your pool water. You want your combined chlorine to be 0 or super close to it, because when it spikes, your chlorine isn't doing its job right. The total available chlorine is made up of free available chlorine plus combined chlorine. If your combined chlorine is high, the free chlorine isn't working properly, which means your pool water won't be as clean or safe. To fix this, you don't just add more chlorine, it won't help. Instead, use a non-chlorine shock treatment, like an oxidizer called Fresh and Clear, to break down those chloramines and boost the free chlorine level. Keep an eye on the water chemistry regularly. Test at least once a week during swimming season to catch any changes early. Also, encourage pool users to shower before jumping in. It helps reduce the stuff that creates combined chlorine in the first place. And remember, if combined chlorine levels are low or 0, you can chill and just maintain normal chlorine levels without extra treatments. One of the biggest slip-ups people make with pool chemistry is ignoring combined chlorine levels altogether, which leads to that harsh chlorine smell and ineffective sanitizing. Fix this by testing regularly and using non-chlorine shock treatments to keep the chloramines in check. Another common mistake is just dumping more regular chlorine into the pool when chloramines are high. That doesn't work and wastes chemicals. Instead, use an oxidizer designed to break down combined chlorine. Thirdly, many folks forget to encourage swimmers to rinse off before swimming, which adds to bio-waste buildup and combined chlorine formation. A simple heads up to guests can save you a ton of headache and chemical costs. BigHomeProjects.com totally makes life easier by hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff for pool care and all kinds of home projects. If you're a contractor looking for work, the site helps you connect with people who actually need your skills, making it simpler to grow your business.